Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I'm here, PhD scholar. I'm going to present a topic, smallpox. Smallpox is derived from Latin word spotted. Smallpox is an acute disease. You can see here diagram of smallpox viruses. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel and share with your friends. You can see here the logo of channel Botany with YouTube. Symptoms: high fever, headache, backache or rash, sore blisters, fatigue. You can see here first day of rash, fifth day of infection and rash condition, and seventh day of rashes after infection. Types of smallpox: variola minor. In this case, less common, less severe disease. Death rate are 1% or less. You can see here in diagram the condition of baby. Variola major, it's more common, more severe, more dangerous as compared to previous disease. Death rate increase as compared to variola minor. You can see here the critical condition of a girl in diagram. Types of variola major: there are ordinary, most common form 90% of cases in unvaccinated person. Case fatality rate is 30%. Modified, milder form produce fever, fewer smaller, more superficial lesions. Case of modified smallpox were rarely fatal. 2% of cases in unvaccinated, 25% of cases in vaccinated persons. Malignant or flat lesions were flatter, evolved more slowly, and 7% of cases in unvaccinated person, and case fatality rate will be 97%. How smallpox can be spread? It can spread by face-to-face contact, by breathing in contaminated air on a bus, in a train, and exchanging saliva, direct contact with contaminated objects like clothing or bedding. You can see here the logo of Botany channel. Share our video, share our channel with your other friends, colleague and other researcher for getting valuable and informative data related to your subject botany. Smallpox versus chickenpox. You can see here in diagram chickenpox rashes and smallpox rashes. How to diagnose? Polymerase chain reaction will be used to identify the variola DNA in clinical specimen, and isolation of smallpox virus from a clinical specimen with variola PCR confirmation. Smallpox vaccine. Smallpox is only the disease that has been eradicated by vaccines. World Health Organization made a plan to eliminate smallpox in 1959. Discovery of vaccine. You can see here a scientist named Edward Jenner who discovered the vaccine for smallpox. A program was introduced in 1967 for the treatment of smallpox. Like our channel, like our video, and share with your other students as well as other researchers. Unfortunately, this global eradication campaign suffered from a lack of funds, personnel, and commitment from countries and shortage of vaccination donation, but the scientists completed this shortage and cured many people suffered from smallpox. Factory that uniquely favored smallpox eradication, vaccine, clinical diagnosis, transmission, immunity, no animal reservoir. Vaccine, heat stable, inexpensive to manufacture, and easy to administer, effective when used within 4 days of exposure, protect with single inoculation, and safe from birth. Clinical diagnosis easy. Every infection clinically expressed. Characteristics rash distribution and transmission mainly face to face by droplet, not through environmental contamination. Immunity permanent with no carrier state, no animal reservoir. In this, we can say that only human infection. Side effect of vaccine: itching, swollen lymph nodes, sore arm from the shoot, fever, headache, body itching, mild rash, fatigue, tiredness. The last known natural case was in Somalia in 1977. Since then, the only known cases were caused by laboratory accident in 1978 in England, which is killed one person and caused a limited outbreak. Smallpox was eradicated in 1979. One of the history deadliest disease, smallpox estimated to have killed more than 300 million people in 19th century since alone. Smallpox officially announced dead in 1980. Thanks to visit our channel. Thanks for your concentration, for your attention. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.